There was two complaints about this vacuum cleaner. One of them was the installation of the wheel, which can be solved very easily. You just cut yourself a little piece of wood and you will use a rubber mallet to insert the cap. The second complaint about this vacuum cleaner is the bags are breaking. But if you use a filter and you are smart enough to use only 10 to 14 gallon bags, you would have no problem removing them. So it's the perfect vacuum cleaner. The main advantage is it's made of plastic, so it won't rust even if you take some water in it. To ensure longevity of your material, always use a bag and a filter. That gives you double protection. Here is Big Dusty. It's 1 week old, it's already full of dust. It's using a bag inside and it's very silent. It's not totally silent as you will hear, but the noise level is pretty low. Let's start the thing. As you can hear, from 6 feet away, it is very silent. Now let's see how this thing performs on dust. Now, this unit also comes with a muffler at the rear, which is the place when you can put also the tube to use it as a blower. So it's really a dual utility box, and you're not forced to install the rack at the back. So if it has to fit in a tight area, you just don't install it, and it's still very portable and movable. As you can see, the tubes are installed in the back, so there is room to install the long tubes, and the bag can get all the accessories. Another thing that should be noticed, it is the clip that hold the top to the bottom are very solid and clip very well in position. Also, for transportation, if you want to carry less weight, you just undo the clip, move the top, and then come back for a second trip with the bottom of the can. To sum it up, a very good vacuum cleaner with place in the bag for all the accessories and at the back for the two tubes, with a very high suction power, a relatively low noise motor, and it can double up as a blower if you use the silencer output with the vacuum tube.